Guys, I don't know why I'm so tired. Like, for the past few days, I've been tired, like, before my bedtime, and I don't know why, but right now, currently, it's 9:44, almost 9:45. So, today, I'm so happy, me and my brother got some fidget spinners. They're both white, glow in the dark. I will put the link in the description below for when I'll put the where I put it in the description below where I got it. Here, I want to show you something. So I know how to. So you'll spin it. So what I do is I put my middle finger. Sometimes I'll spin it like my thumb on the top, then my thumb on the bottom. I don't know. I always do it differently, but so you get it going. I can balance it on my thumb. If I'm balancing it, I put my thumb on the top. Here, let me show you a good look at that. So if you spin it to this, if you just watch it to the side like this, it looks slower, but if you do that, it looks faster. So that's cool. Bouncing it. I'm gonna try doing it on my toe. This is gonna be hard. Oh my god, guys, I can balance it on my toe. Oh my god! Okay, so this is how I did. Then I balance it. So let me do that on my toe again. My foot is itchy. I don't know why, but I can tickle myself if I ever scratch my feet. It's so bad because whenever I have an itch. Okay, but when you do this, you have to have your foot like really still so you don't like. I usually do it on my big toe because that has more room. So. Oh shoot, that was bad. Hold on a second, I have to get it. Ow! And this does glow in the dark if I haven't said that. Okay. This, my grandfather always plays music at night. My other toes are stopping. It's so hard. Shoot! It's harder on your toe. I was doing it perfectly fine. I don't know why I can't anymore. Yeah, see? Oh, shoot. I'm going to try doing it on my knee like my brother. Oh, shoot! Tell me in the comments below if you have a fidget spinner too. So this is thing I do a lot. I don't know why, but shoot, I did it wrong. So I'll balance it up. Oh, I can't do it anymore. I get so frustrated. Shoot! Oh my god. So I'll bounce it, throw it up in the air, and it's still spinning in the air. But I catch it. Watch. I hope you can see it spinning. Shoot! Sometimes it's so hard. Like this is only my first day with it, and I can bounce it on my toe. Once you get the hang of it, they're pretty easy to use, and they're really fun. Shoot! Sorry, guys. brother has a good one. He has a better one than me. And it's the same thing. Oh, I forgot to balance it. Shoot. See? So, yeah, I can do that stuff. And I'm going to try doing it on my nose. If I can do this. Shoot. That's so hard doing it on your nose. Like, I'm just scared if it's going to hurt me or something. Why am I scared? It doesn't hurt. It's not sharp. So if you don't know what a fidget spinner is so usually you have 3. Some of them don't. Some of them only have 2, but usually you have 3 things. Then there's a middle right here. The middle spins. So you like take one of the ends and then you spin it. And then you can bounce it on your fingers and stuff. It's a really fun toy. Pretty sure these are new. I'm bouncing on my thumb right now. It's not stopping. It's not even close, guys. Like, shoot! My parents are gonna be like, "What's all that banging?" Not my parents, but my mom. My dad's at work. It's 9:50. Oh my god. My bedtimes have changed, so I get tired whenever I get tired. Now it's like 10, so now my bedtime's like 10, but since I'm doing a video, I'm probably gonna wait till 10:30. After this video, I'm gonna upload it, probably gonna watch some YouTube, go to bed when I'm tired. Yo, if I can balance this on my pinky, I can't even like spin on my pinky. It's so hard. Like, how the heck? Oh, God, guys, I was just spinning it on my pinky. Oh, that hurt though, cause I bent it. Ow. But oh my God, guys, watch, guys. Shoot. So bad. I get so frustrated. It keeps falling under my desk. Awful me. I don't know what I want to do today, guys. I really don't. We've been playing with the fidget spinner for 9 minutes now, and I don't know. Kind of mad. So since last Christmas, like not 2016, well it's 2017 right now, but last Christmas, like not 2016, but 2015. 2015. Not for Christmas. I mean, not for my birthday. Christmas. In 2015, I got this DVD player. It does YouTube, Netflix, Facebook, and all that, Twitter, and all that other stuff. I haven't even set it up, guys. It's like You buy it, but you don't set it up. Like, I have no idea how. I'm not playing with wires. I don't want to do any of that. I don't do TV and electronics. What's this? My phone, tablet, Kindle, or iPad. Well, I call my iPad my tablet sometimes. So, the tablet, my phone, my Kindle, my computer, and my TV. Well, I watch it. I don't put it together. I don't put any of this stuff together. If you don't know how to stop it, if you're doing this, and then you don't know, if you just want to stop it like that, you can. This is how I stop it. See how there's the space right in between the fidget spinner and my hand? I'll make that space so it'll touch the fidget spinner while it's going, so it'll stop. Let me show you again. See? Why am I so thirsty? What is it? 9:55 right now? 10 o'clock pretty much. I went out to Friendly's like, so when me and my brother got out of school, which is usually 3:45, that's when we got off the bus. We went to Friendly's. Well, first we went to what the heck's that talking? Let's go figure it out, guys. I'm gonna bring my fidget spinner. Like, these are heavy, not like heavy like weights and stuff, but they're pretty heavy. What? Let's go. What's that noise? Alexa's a boy? What the hell are you doing?
What's this?
I don't know.
The black stools.
So that's
Black
what.
stools.
So that's what.
The stools in the bottom of it are.
So that's what we're doing right now.
What are you trying to say? It's ugly?
It's cool.
I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like 3D. Here, my mom got a 3D, like it looks like a 3D picture.
Gail says she'd like to see the monuments values.
No one. YouTube video.
Get up there and go to sleep. Let's go. Shut your phones off.
Okay, guys. I have to go to bed now. So, like, comment if you have a fidget spinner down below. Comment if you liked it, like this video, and yeah, bye. Whoops. Ugh.